Hi guys, my name is Paten, and today in this video I'm going to share some few steps that you must do if you are visiting Manipur for the first time. This video will be more relatable if your mode of transportation is by air. First thing first, when we are traveling, we want to save money. Do not hire a taxi or an auto from the airport premises. Instead, walk out from the airport, go to the main road, then you hire an auto rickshaw or a sharing auto rickshaw. This mode of transportation, they will charge you about 100 to 200 rupees, and if you are going by a sharing auto rickshaw, then they will charge you only 30 rupees. And their drop points will be Samu Makhong, Pauna Bazaar, Thangal Bazaar, Bidi Park or Wahingekai. As soon as you get down at any of these drop points, first thing you must do is search for a hotel to stay the night. There are many hotels available in and around any of these drop points. You may also find hotels online. But if that price doesn't suit your budget, you must walk around Thangal Bazaar and Pauna Bazaar in order to find cheaper hotels. After this, I will suggest you to have lunch at Lakshmi Kitchen or OK Hotel, which are at a walkable distance from any of your hotels. Lakshmi Kitchen Wahingekai is famous for the Manipuri indigenous cuisine that they serve to their customers, and OK Hotel is famous for its unique way of cooking chicken curries. Now you can walk towards the Tree Imakaitel, that is the women's market of Manipur. This market is exclusively run by women, and it was established in the 16th century with around 5,000 to 6,000 women vendors. This is the largest all-women market in Asia. Now you can walk out towards the Kangla Fort. Kangla means dry land in Manipuri, and the Kangla Palace is a symbol for Manipur's glory. The existence of Kangla Fort dates back to 33 AD, and a visit to this place is a must for art lovers and historians, as this ancient fort holds immense archaeological, religious and historical significance. This place opens at around 7 AM and closes at around 5 PM. After visiting the Kangla Fort, if you are not tired yet, you must visit Bidi Park and Polo ground. Some people might say there is no such thing as park in Bidi Park, but Bidi Park is a very important place for all Manipuris because the indomitable spirit of the patriotic Meitei and tribal martyrs who sacrificed their lives while fighting against the British in 1891 is commemorated by the tall minar at Bir Tikenditi Park. And the field you see here is the oldest living polo ground in the world, and it is known as the Mapal Tangjaibung. It is the oldest because the game of polo was born in Manipur. And now you can also enjoy the amazing view of Imphal city from the watchtower at Cherau-Sing Thangwaiban. I would recommend you to visit this place early morning or even in the evening in order to watch the amazing sunrise and sunset views. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Links for all the places that I have visited in Manipur will be in the description box below. And if you need any assistance regarding the places that I have mentioned in this video, you can contact us at kpahten123@gmail.com or DM us at our Instagram handle iManipuri. Links for everything will be given in our description box. Do check it out. Bye bye for now.